Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to sign out everywhere on Spotify. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser on your phone. Now, go to the Spotify website. Tap on Login. Enter your phone number linked to your Spotify account. Now enter the OTP sent to your phone number. Once logged in, tap on Settings at the top of the screen. Next, tap on View Account. Scroll down and look for the option called Sign Out Everywhere. Tap on it to confirm. Spotify will now sign you out from all devices. Now you have successfully signed out everywhere on Spotify. Thanks for watching.